To answer my personal inquiry question, I have reviewed articles including Designing Vocabulary Instruction in Mathematics and Connecting Children's Literature and Mathematics, both from the Reading Teacher, along with the article Connecting Process Problem Solving to Children's Literature from Teaching Children's Mathematics. Incorporating reading into math instruction is becoming increasingly important in the current era of standardized testing. Combining these subjects makes it easier for both teachers and students to meet national and state standards they are required to teach and learn by saving valuable instructional time. Also, many tests require students to comprehend difficult word problems and come up with a written response to explain their reasoning. Aside from standardized tests, incorporating these subjects increases the amount of comprehensible input for English language learners, clarifies confusing math vocabulary, creates a real-life connection to mathematics, and builds on students' background knowledge when engaging them in learning. In the article Connecting Process Problem Solving to Children's Literature, they suggest two basic approaches that teachers can elaborate for their classroom needs. The first approach is connecting a math strategy with a theme from a storybook. An example of this would be teaching the guess and check strategy by reading a mystery story to the class. In this example, the students must go through the same process to solve the crime as they do to solve a math problem. In the second approach, author Annette Rix-Leitza suggests using a popular story and then creating math problems based on it. One example would be using The Three Little Pigs to create word problems having to do with the wolf paying off expenses for blowing down the pigs' houses. In the article based on using the power of picture books to supplement math instruction, author Joyce Schatzer focuses on implementing books that are already tied to a specific mathematical concept. This includes books such as Olivia Counts, Cha-Cha Chimps, Eating Fractions, and The Doorbell Ring. To emphasize the impact of picture books, Schatzer notes that when those read-aloud selections are also chosen to develop mathematical ideas, mathematics is humanized, its relationship to the arts is emphasized, and the picture books and extension activities stimulate positive reactions, interest, enjoyment, and confidence in children. The last article focused on the importance of using robust vocabulary instruction in math. To accomplish vocabulary goals, teachers must be able to explain and discuss mathematical vocabulary in student-friendly ways, and then engage the students in an activity that requires students to use the newly acquired vocabulary. In addition, ambiguous words such as mean, table, ruler, and order must be specifically clarified to help students understand what the problem is asking them to do.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself